So, Secretary Sal, what can we expect from this case? Are you
Yes,
confident
go na guys.
or
Go guys.
about illegality of the arrest, of the warrant, or the lack of jurisdiction is something that can be resolved here in the Philippines, or is there also the opportunity to raise this in the
Alam mo, do I am confident? Kung ako mag-justice, kung ako mag-decide, given all the facts and circumstances of the law, eh talagang dapat pagaling mo, kasi pero hindi naman tayo mag-decide sila. So, we will be pag masyadong clear naman yan. Walang jurisdiction. So, pag walang jurisdiction, hindi na ginawa yan dito sa ating nasa illegal wala siya. And the government cannot justify it, cannot validate ang illegal from the very at kung ginawa ang gobyerno ng yan kung pag-illegal na illegal ko yan, kaya kaya kasi na ay siya nila.
And what do you think is China's role in this? China's foreign spokesperson recently gave a statement and she said the ICC should strictly follow the principle of accountability, exercise its functions and powers prudently in accordance with the law, and prevent politicization or double standards.
Tama naman, di ba? Pati si naman yan, di ba? Sinasanction niya ICC, hindi na binibigyan ng kontribusyon. Kasi pinupolitika. Eh, pinagpipilitan kasi nila na pumasok, pinakikialaman nila yung mga bansa kahit na hindi sa kayo basta kung pinagtayo. Yun po.
So, I mean, President Trump, kayo po ba ay susunodin sa peak? And what is your message to former President Duterte?
Alam mo ang problema dyan sa gusto ko na pumunta. Eh, ano magagawin ko doon? Ang mangyayari doon, mag-observe lang ako. Basta ayaw ko support. Pero baka mas kailangan ko dito sa Pilipinas. Politically, yung defense natin. President Duterte. Kaya mangyayari sa'yo doon. Kung magpapakita ko siya sa mga umaga, hindi lang doon yung binigay ng insight. Yung gusto ko na siguro na dito tayo. Kung wala natin President Duterte. Dito, sa akin, ang ginagawa ko, ay gusto ko na mangyayari. O ang sampay ng Pilipinas. This government is created by the Filipino people. The primary function of the government is to serve and to protect. If this government no longer protects and serves the interests of the Filipino people that created it, then this sovereign people has the right to what? Siyempre, kailangan tayo kung ito.
Are you worried for former President Duterte in terms of his health? You mentioned that he was procedure sa ating
Ano mo nakita mo? Tinawagan siya ng anak niya. Hindi siya po sa hindi mo tayo ng presidente. Pempel niya, pempel siya. Kaya talagang, na siya. Kasi pag hindi mo kayo sa ulit kanina, kapit sa system.
He has a video that he released this morning saying na okay naman ako. At
Hindi to balik kasi ng pandemic.
sinasabi na tungkol sa enforcement ng mundo na sila ang nagkakasama. Oo. And but he did say dito na tuloy sa office ay ayaw mo.
Kaya kasi, kung titignan mo yung hindi mo yung presidente, kahit ang kayo may Congress na hindi mo naman style. Sa kanya, so dito siya, kasi nag-agenda. Inihalan niya ako ngayon ng Congress niya ako presidente, kung yun sino pakita dito, regardless, kahit na kayo, hindi sa akin naman. Kaya, kung yung style na kayo, nagkakamalo kayo siya, kulang. Kami saan kamay kaya? Kung hindi, sa tingin nyo, dapat ako ipakita dito, mga tayo ng imanan.
Ano po ang message mo kay PRD at sa pamilya?
Eh, hindi ko lang message sa kanya kasi kilala ko siya. Siya ay nakanda naman. Sa pamilya ba, siyempre nagtulog ko sila. Siyempre naglaman sila. Eh, ang sabi ko sa pamilya, mismo, maaari lang. Talagang ganyan ang buhay. Kaya ang mga kababayan natin, ay kayo ang naglukluk sa mga taong to sa kapangyarihan. At kayo kayo ang pangyarihan at ang isip. Pero gawin nyo sa magpayapang ka. Hindi sabi ko, get out, go to the streets, but in a peaceful manner. You have to show you know you are against what this government is doing. Peacefully. And that is your right. Yan ang panawagan ko. Doon ako, hindi ko pwede yung puro lang tayo text. Hindi ko pwede yung puro lang tayo social media. Doon kasi sa kanya, and doon mo payapa. Don't give this government a reason to do violence to you. Doon mo lang mapayapa. Maniwala kayo. Pag nakita, mag-question ng Pilipinas, kung saan tao na itong gobyerno ito, ay wala na support na sa tao. Puro sila ng so, wala na ang support sa tao.
Thank you so much, Attorney Sal Panelo, and good luck at your petition sa Congress.
No, good luck to this government. What it is doing, maybe the start of its fault.
And thank you.
Thank you.
Unless we will have NBA's virus testing sa mga oil ko.
Ito na.
Ayuhan, ang mungil bata. Ay, wala na ko, guys. Last na na.
Pinipilakan senatorial aspirant Attorney William Tina has positioned himself as one of the staunch advocates of former President Rodrigo Duterte amid the ladders of last past Tuesday. Advocating for the cause, William also legal efforts to challenge every part of his intention to grant him as the constitution. His advocacy appears to be viewed as an attack on civil sovereignty.
Right, ang bibig,
The process of the Duterte allies also challenged the favorable results in the late elections.
Nabahawan ni mo tatay.
Good morning, Attorney Raul.
Good morning, Karen, and good morning to the millions of viewers of the program. But before the election sequence is stated, I would like about 60 months before maybe this is former President Fidel Ramos and a few retired officers of the armed forces went to Davao to talk to Mayor Pidong at the time. and persuade him to consider running for the presidency. Then I was asked, and is Chapin federalism? So that is my motivation. Why I have supported PRRD to help transform the country into a more accountable, transparent governance through a federalism and parliamentary system.
So let's go now to where we are right now.
Kayo.
Former President Duterte being arrested supposedly because of the ICC. Why are you questioning the validity of that arrest?
Well, first and foremost, our position is very clear. And as a lawyer, that is also the ICC has no jurisdiction anymore to any Filipino citizen or to any resident. The then President Ramos. So we went out our way and tried to get the argument that you have the support of the former Luzon, very cabinet rank and another position that is chairman and CEO of the Cagayan Economic Authority. So I left my party in the Philippines, whether he is a Filipino or not.
Thank you guys, bye-bye.
The ICC doesn't have